Recently, I made and released my first game, Archer Rush, Sword and Arrow, which is just a small game. So there's tons of bugs and issues, but it's fine since nobody's gonna play it anyway. More than 1,000 downloads. Ah! Fuck!
Over 500 or 600.
Come on, Dragon Attack!
Now my only choice is to fix my game and make it good. The first course of action is to listen to the player's feedback and adjust the game accordingly, because that's what a good game developer would do. Which I am not, but let's see what people are saying anyway. Game hard.
Game, yeah, it's so hard. Yeah. This game is very hard. I
Okay, I hear you loud and clear. But if we want to make the game even harder, we need more enemies, because currently the only boss is Big Chunk.
So I've created a model of a large purple monster, equipped it with a sword, and boosted its power significantly. I also programmed a test for it to attack by swinging the sword, but it seemed to be glitched. It was moving like it was dancing disco or something. But it's fixed now, and the final boss has been completed. However, I still felt it wasn't quite perfect. After asking for feedback from friends, I ultimately decided to have it ride on a dragon. And this dragon will also attack the player. To defeat the final boss, you'll have to defeat the dragon first, then the final boss will come down to party with you. You'll have to dodge its attacks, but trust me, it's not as easy as you might think. I've buffed its strength, and it's almost unbeatable. I've tried a few times, but haven't defeated it yet. Instead, I keep getting sent back to the main menu.
So, how do you encounter this final boss? There will be a progress bar on the left-hand side. It will show the milestones and distance you've traveled. The final milestone is the final boss. Defeat the final boss and receive upgrades to continue facing the challenges ahead. Can you guess what's on the screen? It looks like a face mask. Well, it is a face mask, isn't it? Next is a scarf. Why does it look like a collar? I will also add many more accessories. Of course, after each playthrough, to record the upgrades you've chosen, I've made a history system. It will save your highest score, playtime, as well as the accessories and upgrade stats. I'll also add a store system where players can purchase permanent upgrades inside. So each time you start, you'll carry these attributes and items. Every upgrade will use gold, which can be earned by playing the game and completing missions. After upgrading, the game's homepage will look like this. To complete the game logic, I'll add a bit more code, providing attributes for each item. For example, this mask will have a lifesteal stat every time you deal damage to monsters. Similarly, this hairpin will increase critical hit rate. When attacking enemies, red indicates critical strikes. There are also other accessories like armor, reducing damage when colliding. Everything is waiting for everyone to experience and develop together. So, how to complete these functions? I had to write over 100 drafts. It took quite a bit of time, but it's okay, as long as you enjoy it. So, are you ready to fight the final boss? The download link will be in the description. Download, play, and experience it. Don't forget to leave your score in the comments below. Bye-bye!